When you wake up, your body might feel like a jellyfish or some rusty old robot, and you want to be agile and energized for the day ahead. One of the best things you can do is a short series of warm-up exercises. Now, this warm-up I'm going to share with you is vintage. It's a classic. It actually dates back all the way to the Soviet era. See, what many people don't know is that the Soviet Union took physical fitness very seriously. The government developed all of these training programs and it gave them to the elite agencies, the special forces, the army, the navy. Those programs were then tested and modified, and then they trickled down to all of the other parts of society. And pretty much everybody, no matter their age or their role in society, was doing some version of this warm-up every day. And when I traveled around the world to do research for my book and my fitness class, the people I met in former Soviet countries, all of the fitness masters, use a version of this warm-up still to this day. It's something you can do anywhere, anytime. You don't need any special equipment. And if you do it first thing in the morning, it'll give you energy and agility for the rest of the day. Let's begin. First, we warm up the neck. Up and down, nice and smooth. Now tilt, side to side. Turn head, side to side, look over the shoulder. Chest openers. Now, we warm up the shoulders. Shoulder rolls, forwards and backwards. Arm circles, forward and back. Side twists. Keep your feet planted. Just turn the upper body. Now deeper twists. Bring the opposite knee up. Arms up and arch, bend down, reach up and down. Side bends. Stretch the arm over your head. Torso circles. Other way. Legs wide. Windmills. Now we warm up the knees. Shallow squats. Deeper squats. Side lunges. Start shallow and go deeper with each one. Warm up the feet, up and down, side to side, other one, foot circles, other way, other one. And now some push-ups, any version you like. Now go take a quick shower, and bonus points if you do at least 30 seconds of ice cold shower. Enjoy your day.